Welcome to this episode of Y'all of the Day. My name is Kojo Sheldon, and the head is big for a reason. You know, right now there are plenty names introduction with Jai because people make her vex this morning. So yeah, but this country and Kasa them for just put it on Tonato and sell it because I say Jimmy and the door. So let me put it that way. And now she need Jonas me. I know and I me they know because Jimmy premium Jimmy. Premium and not normal Jimmy premium because sometimes you sit down and you look at the things, you listen to the things happening and you say what doing. I don't know how long we will continue to you see that where that tribal nonsense, you understand. Now this man wrote a book for kindergarteners and all those kiddies and things. Now the content of the book may be an eyesore, be appalling. The ever stereotype. You see, say more times the Votarians and the Ewers on social media, they complain, say, Charlie, the stereotype child, you understand? But people know they won't take it seriously. But look, this thing, it start from the classroom. Now, this man wrote a book. They say a song that shows the Ewers identity. Now listen, I am Ewe. I migrated from Niger area in Nigeria. I don't know how truthful that is. I migrated because Kinago Koli treated me bad. I have plenty of rice. Man, this has been approved. This book has been approved. And quality what the classroom I have plenty of rice. Which ever person can tell you they get plenty of rice? What kind of stereotype nonsense? Let me continue. I also have salt and it has made me rich. Where? What kind of misinformation is this? Let me continue. I have the largest lake full of tilapia. I have an attitude to show love, especially to my people. Look at what they are preaching to the kids in the classroom. If you can't speak my language and you step on my toe, I am not bothered. What is this? I enjoy music and dancing in my kente cloth. People say I am inward looking, but that is what they think. I am very good, especially to my people. I always stay away from trouble. Look at this nonsense. Kidi go school, they go here. I have plenty sort. I have just a stereotype. Nah, I am to my people. Whichever person can tell you, say, this is how you show your identity. And what it vexed me, they say, I sure say it has passed through the Ghana education system. I'll prove it for the kids to be reading this rubbish. Look at how they are being indoctrinated in the classrooms. When they come out of the classrooms, they are like that kind of mentality. They are just going to use it to roam for the rest of their lives. Look at this rubbish. And look at this one too. There's another one. That one cried they be bad. They come. Look, this one to homework. Copy out the following sentence in joint script. FO agreed and prepared Juju for the players. Just say Jimmy. Why? FO agreed and prepared Juju for the players. Look at this nonsense. Which just Jimmy now. And you see that word I always talk say if I come on social media and I hear say then they complain about say the stereotype is too much, that tribal bigotry, it has eaten deep into our fabric. Nonsense. Everything is about tribe, everything is about ethnic group, everything is about you can't and I don't allow Ashantis to marry these people. I don't allow what is all this? Look at what they are teaching kids in the classroom. They are teaching the kids that when you are an Ewe or when your name is Efo, you use Juju. And to a normal system, you say Ewes the Juju kwa siasem we are the thing kwala. Wait, look, and it has caused a lot of outrage on social media. The MP for Okujeto Ablakwa. If someone the Ghana Education the Minister for Education say make he come Parliament, they can't explain this rubbish because this is in the system. This is in the system, and the kids are reading it. Imagine so back to school. They'll go say, or cry, and yeah, now look at the nonsense they are teaching them. Look at the nonsense that Efo and gave Juju. Who tell you say Efo, every Efo for this one inside? What kind of just somebody? Me say this country they have to put us in rice, reset everything because Jimmy and also Jimmy and we can't just be serious people in this country. Everything we want to make it try. We want to be that kind of foolish stereotypes for stop. Sa juju nkwasiasem everything juju everybody attribute to the LS and nkwasiasem na stop it. You know the need. I know LS where you shack past the LS. You know voters where them no book. Them no book pass. Make we Jimmy wait, yeah, the Bobra. Wait. Look. Efo do this. And the people they have issued a statement. They issued a press statement. And I don't blame them. I blame the Ghana Education Service. Because if they did due diligence to these things, it wouldn't have ended up in a classroom. If you are teaching the kids this thing that Efo prepared to do for the players, and you're so many, they're not on my dream, I say. No, this nonsense. It is so. Minister of Education, they sit in somewhere. Then they go carry problem given. The person where you print this book, where the publishers, distribution people, or them for sack them from the country, make them go stay where Benin. Yes, make them go stay Benin. Make them go left the country because this is rubbish. And the Ministry of Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs, Volta Regional House of Chiefs, they have released a statement. What they are saying, yes, I said them. Everybody vexed. When you go to Facebook right now, most of the like the LS and the Votarians over there, them vex say, what kind of stereotype is this? And I support them. It is about time we view things through national lenses. What I say, sa way free her, and fire kwesi baby, as divisions, no. That's why we not feel they move forward. No, me I don't care. So we go fit hear some argument for me. My parents will not allow me to marry an Ewe. If I go carry where girl come house where you, they can't tell me say you no go allow me. I don't know be do. Who now be do? I mean, me no makonya me Ewe girl and then I go fear. They tell me say I am not what but damn and then do you disown me? Oh yeah, me but you go. What are you talking about? It not be about mama. The thing is, my mommy no go do that. My old girl be too enlightened to hold this tribal caste. Oh yes, I'm kwasiasem no. Oh the Bible fear. That's the open. That be the end. It doesn't matter whether it is Ewe, it is Zima, it is Lamborghini your tribe. But at the end of the day, I want us to see things beyond tribes. Look at this rubbish sound teacher. Efo is a juju and things. Please, they may say that people behind this nonsense, make them jail them, therefore jail them. Because the misinformation level here be too much. Too much. What kind of life is that? So yes, as I said, they have summoned the Minister of Education to Parliament to come and explain some few things. I don't know what he's going to tell them. The people have issued a statement. Also, it is bullshit. The damage has been caused already. They should make sure say they withdraw the books from the system. I don't want to bubble down. Mr. Country, everybody, we are not focused. We are not focused as Obi had your pay. Oh, what kind of say you I'll say it.